I think we're coming to the close. It's a 3% day once again. 3% on Monday, 6% yesterday, 3% today. That's basically the week so far. And lots of stocks coming back up very nicely. I mean, the biggest volume-led gainer today is Idea by far. It's up 13%, but look at the volumes. I mean, huge. Although, the high on Monday was 16 rupees and 40 paise. That was the exit poll high. Stocks back at 15 rupees after falling to 12 rupees yesterday. Adani Green is up 11%. Adani Green, of course, I mean, the high was 2174. Stocks at about 1800, little over that. Heritage Foods continues to power higher from 420 to 550 in 2 days now. ABFRL is basically back to almost a new sort of cycle high. There is Nalco, there is Imami, there is JSW Energy. JSW Energy, the high was 660. It's about 10% below that level at about 610 today. Prestige Estates had a big 12% move. It's almost back to those levels. KNR Construction had a big day. Jyoti Laboratories, Vector Foods, Chambal Fertilizer, BKG, Credit Access coming out of the slump with an 11% pop. So lots of stuff happening. And, I barely scratched the surface of big volume-led gainers like yesterday, like the day before. It's a really big volume day once again today, guys.
Well, so, the best performing sectoral index, surprisingly, is not FMCG. FMCG ends with a gain of 4.3%, but it closed 2% off the session high. So in the second half of the trading session, some profits were being booked. The best performing sector today was the metal index with a 5.5% rally, and private banks participated, while the Nifty banking index also outperformed with a 4% gain. The private banking index was up close to about 5%, with IndusInd Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank, and HDFC Bank participating on the way up. Just two losers, and that too, you could call them flat, right? But L&T and BPCL had their final tick in the red.
And L&T recovered a 5% opening cut, and it's ending flat. So there was quite some recovery there as well. On the mid-cap screen, things looking good. 4% up on the mid-cap index. A lot of recovery in the Adani Group stocks, of course. So Adani Green was up about 11%. A lot of the other names, Adani Power, also managed to close along the flat line. Look at some other movers and shakers. Gainers included a Vodafone Idea, 13%, Prestige Estates, 13%. Of course, Imami was one of the big movers in the FMCG basket, so 10-11% up over there. Jyoti Laboratories, 13%. Even the non-FMCG consumer names like a BKG, like a Hunasa, Vectors, all of these stocks, basically anything consumption related, was up and about today. So very strong moves coming in. AB Fashion and Retail, 15% higher. Amara Raja, 12% higher. So all in all, a pretty good day for the mid-cap market. Just a word on the PSUs. Some of the metal names have actually done better. Nalco, 11%, Hindustan Copper, SAIL. These were stocks that were on the upside. Some of the others like NBCC, still nursing losses. Well, with that, it's curtains on this edition of Closing Bell. Another day of a lot of volatility comes to an end, but an end which is about 700 points up on the Nifty. Thank you for being with us. Markets Forward will take the action ahead.